Morning, guys. On site here in Vancouver, Washington at our 25th Avenue School. We're in the middle of a pour, 60 plus yards today, pouring footings, spread footings, grade beams, a couple wrap slabs for those big anchor bolts that you guys see right there. 60 plus yards. What you guys see, just got building sector A pretty much wrapped up. Next section, next phase on that is the prep work for the slab. After today, we'll have B done. Other than the elevator pit that you guys see there, we're waiting for a clear break in the weather. You guys can tell it's raining today. Sector C pretty much wrapped up as well. After today, we'll finish up these footings here. All we'll have left is the stem walls, and then we move on. If you guys see, we're right behind these excavators here for sector D, which would be the last section of this building. Guys, we've been getting a lot of feedback. Appreciate that. Stay tuned, guys. There's a lot more videos going on. I know we've been some breaks in between, but we're really busy kind of splitting things up here. But enjoying this pour today, this rainy Wednesday. Got a lot more work coming, guys. We're going to go into detail a little bit more on how we do things. I know we've been seeing comments that guys want to see specifically how we go about how we do each phase. So maybe you guys will probably see another video today when we get started on these footings here on sector D. So a lot more videos to come, guys. Stay tuned.